morning, students. Today we will solve another numerical from the second unit. Okay, so for that, let us write down the problem statement. A reversible heat engine draws heat of 12,000 kilowatt from source at 400 degrees Celsius, okay, and rejects heat to sink with an efficiency of 30%. Find work output and heat rejected. Okay, so this is what is the problem statement is. So let us read the problem statement again. A reversible heat engine draws heat of 12,000 kilowatt from source at 400 degrees Celsius and rejects heat to sink with an efficiency of 30%. Find work output and heat rejected. Okay, so for this we will need a diagram, isn't it, to have a better understanding. Okay, so for that let us draw one diagram. Okay, this is nothing but the engine. Okay, this is hot reservoir. Okay, which is having temperature as T hot. Okay, then this is cold reservoir, which is at temperature T cool. Okay, then heat is drawn from as Q hot. Okay, and that is nothing but the heat supplied, which is nothing but the input to the engine. Okay, and this is nothing but the Q cool, and this is nothing but the heat rejected. This is heat rejected, and what output we are going to get, that is nothing but the work output. Okay, and it will be equals to W will be equals to Q hot minus Q cool. Okay, so this is what is the diagram. Now we will write down the given data. So Q hot is given as, or heat draws means what, heat supplied. So this is Q hot is equals to 12,000 kilowatt. Okay, then the efficiency of an engine is given as 30%, which is equals to 0.3. Okay, so if we write down the formula of an heat engine for the efficiency, then efficiency of an heat engine will be equals to W upon Q hot. Very first, what is the efficiency formula? Output upon input. So what is our output? W is our output, and what is our input? That is Q hot is our input. So if we substitute the different given values, so we will get 0.3 equals to W upon 12,000, isn't it? So W, which is nothing but the work output, will be equals to 12,000 multiplied by 0.3 multiplied by 0.3. So value comes around 3600. So 3600 kilowatt will be the W. Are you getting me? Now once we get the value of an W, then it is quite easy for us to calculate the heat rejected. That is nothing but the Q cool. So heat rejected will be equals to Q cool. And how we can find out this? It will be equals to W will be equals to Q hot minus Q cool. Okay, and if we put the value, then it will be equals to 12,000 minus Q cool. Okay, and W is nothing but the 3600. So if Q cool will be brought on the left hand side, this 3600 will go on the right hand side. Okay, so the value of Q cool will be equals to 12,000 minus 3600. So value will be equals to 8400. So 8400 kilowatt will be the Q cool, and which is nothing but the heat rejected. Okay, so that is what is the answer. I hope you have understood this particular problem. That's it for this particular video. Thank you so much.